my channel. So, the video for today, in my area, medyo cloudy na po siya. Ayan. Cloudy na po siya. And then, signal number 1 po kami dito. So it probably, as always naman po, kahit normal rain lang, yung rain dito, it's heavy and too much windy. So, siguro pag bagyo, mas malakas pa siya. So, take a look po. Ayan. So, pinakita nyo naman na mas madilim dyan, unlike dito sa other sides. So, yeah. So, yung community po ng apartment na to, they're keep sending email sa bawat mga renters nandito. So, from yesterday and today, I received 3 email kung ano yung pinaprepare namin just in case mga emergencies. So, maya po, tingnan natin kung gaano kalakas yung bagyo dito sa Florida. Since sa Washington, it's kind of normal for me. In Philippines, yes, but let's compare Philippines and Florida's hurricane. So, take a look later. Bye!